So okay guys, let's get started. First of all, we have to create a folder on desktop. I already created a folder python and I already created a .py file. And let's get started by importing our modules. So I will type import os and from FTP lib import FTP and error param. Okay, now I want to create a function which uploads a file to current directory on FTP server, but only if it does not already exist there. And I will pass two parameters FTP and local file path. File path. Yes, and I will make a variable file name and os dot path dot base name, and I will pass local file path here. Okay, next try existing files is equal to ftp dot nlist. List all it lists the all files in current ftp directory. So if if it found, then print already already uploaded skipping uploaded skipping. Yes, let me s capital. Okay, I will return the function, and now I will write the accept part error param and se, and if there's a problem in listing the directory, so I will print could not list directory, and I will pass e here. Now next we have to upload the file to the FTP server. So for that we have to type with open local file path read in binary as file. Okay, now ftp dot store binary. This will upload the file to the FTP server, and f store I will pass the file name here and here file. Okay, f string file uploaded. I will pass the file name here. Next we have to make a function to ensure folder structure. So def ensure remote folder ftp folder path. Now parts is equal to folder path dot strip and dot split. Okay, we have to put underscore. Next current path I will leave it empty for now. For part in parts I will increment the part in the current path. F no file, no part, yes, part. Try ftp.cwd current path. It will work like cd in cmd, just like cmd. And error param, I will again start try ftp.make directory if not already present. We pass current path and print f folder created. I will pass the current path here too and expect error param as e. If you don't encounter any error, then print error creating folder. I will pass e here. ftp.cwd and I will pass the folder path here. I will return true. Next, def copy files and upload. I will pass drive path and FTP hostname, username, FTP password, and remote base folder. Now I have to set the extension target folders, targeted files. For targeted files, I want that it upload images with extension .png in the images folder, uh, dot jpeg images in the images folder, and dot gif also in the images folder, and dot jpg in the images folder. And now for documents, I want it to upload dot pdf documents in the doc folder. Dot uh, let me recall, and another extension for word document, docx in the images, and excel documents in the docs, and presentation documents in the docs, txt in the doc. Okay, and dot vcf in the docs folder, and dot zip in the compress. Okay, first we will add a comment. Compress files and dot zip in the compress folder, and dot rar files in the compress folder, and for drive path in drive paths, for root directories, for was files in os.walk drive path, and for file in files, file extension is equal to os split text. We have to remove one t, split text, and file logger. Okay, now if file extension file file path os.path.join root will pass file, yes, remote subfolder extension folders, I will pass a file extension, and remote full path is equal to remote base folder. Let's remove the spaces. I will pass remote subfolder and dot replace. Now try with FTP. I will pass the credentials here: FTP host, FTP username, and FTP password as FTP. If ensure remote folder FTP remote full path, upload files to FTP, file underscore path and print f file path. We'll put an arrow here, remote subfolder. Okay, now accept exception as E, print error while uploading file path. I will pass E here. Now I will have to pass a F string, and here I will write the constructor is equal to underscore underscore main underscore underscore. Now I will declare variables here. Drive path. I will check my X and my Y drive. FTP host name. Here I will paste host name and FTP username. Here we have to put our username and here password, then remote base folder. I will give it the root folder, root. Copy files and why it is not showing. Uh, Copy files and upload. Okay, we had made a typo mistake. Copy. Yes, now it is running. Drive paths, FTP host, FTP username, FTP. So guys, here I paste my FTP credentials. In my case, I am using Infinity Free, which provides you hosting free of cost. You guys can go and sign in with Google, and you can see on your left side there is the option of FTP details. You can go and fetch these details from there. And now I will try to run this script, and we will see if it is working fine or it will give us some error. So I will first copy the path, go to the terminal, and I will type python and double quote, and here I will paste it and I will press enter. Okay, as you can see, our script is running fine. It is showing that it creates a folder and it is uploading files. So here is my file manager, and I am in htdocs, and I will refresh it, and you can see our script just created two folders, docs and images. And if I open images, you can see there are images which our script is now sending to our FTP server. And in documents you can see uh, our script is sending documents to on our FTP server. Okay, let's see if it skip files because I put some same files in Y2. As you can see now, our script is trying to upload the files from Y, and it first check that if the same file is present on the FTP server or not. As you can see, it is showing that it is not uploading it, it is skipping it because this file is already present on the server. So you can make it more enhanced by adding it to startup, or you can set it attribute to hidden, or you can use threading. If you don't know what these are, I already explained them in my ransomware tutorial. You can go and watch those tutorials. So guys, let's call it a day. Please don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends and leave a comment. uh, we will meet soon with another video.